Hello, my name is Georgie Enze. I have the assignment of the gym competition. So here in my in my code, I began with the beginning of my code began with what any C plus any C plus plus program would start with. It started with hashtag include iOS stream using namespace SD and int main. Um, Once I had the basics done, I started inputting my main code. Um, so here you can see that I have one, two, three, four, five, six cout statements. A cout is an output stream, or it's a standard output stream. And so in the first five, you can notice right here, I have the end lines with the backward slash or forward slash, my apologies, forward slash n, which will start the new line. So every cout statement, like I said, is an output, what it will output onto the screen. So when you put welcome to the gymnastics competition, that is my greeting. And then you have the second cout statement, which is the menu, and the menuing meaning what you have choice of. So you have one, two, three choices, and choice one is three judges score. The second choice is five judges score, and the third one is simply just to quit. And so once you enter your choice, I have a send statement which is choice, which will will let me have or let me create choices or what you would do with those choices. So I made my options, which are choices basically. I made my options into cases. So there's three cases I have in my coding. So so to start with the cout statement in case one, it is to enter the number of gymnasts. So if you picked the scoring of three right here, three judges scoring, that's case one. So case one starts with the cout statement of enter number of gymnasts. Remember, when you're trying to get to the next line, it's a forward slash and always remember the semicolon. Um, the number of gymnasts can only be from 1 to 20. That is what I was instructed. Um, so I put int number underscore gym with a colon. I abbreviated gymnast and I abbreviated number. Um, Send, which is an input statement of what you're going to input, which is going to be the number of gymnasts. And remember, it's only 1 through 20. So, and here's my second cout statement, which is right here. I'm sorry, right here, which is enter the name and the three scores of gymnasts. So once you put the three scores, well, what will allow you to put the three scores is right here, the float, which is A, B, and C. And when you go further down here, it basically, this lets me or allows the user to only put a score through 1 through 10. So it's nothing higher than 10. It's nothing lower than 0. If it is, you will get an invalid score and to try again. So after that is all calculated, it will give you the name of the gymnast and then the average score. So you can see here that float to the power of 3 because there's 3 judge scores. Once I put my break, I will begin the next case. So the next case is formatted the same as case 1, but the only thing that's changed is the variables that are allowed in my float. Because there's more scores, there's going to be more variables. So since I have 5 scores, I have 5 variables. Everything else is the same, like the cout statement in the beginning, which is enter the number of gymnasts, which is 1 through 20. And then the only difference is the cout statement is enter name and enter 5 scores of gymnasts, not 3, but 5, because this is option 2, case 2. So here, you'll see that there's more scores to be inputted, and everything is still the same. So if you have an invalid score, it will tell you invalid score to try again. And here on my float, it's to the power of 5 and not to 3 because there's 5 just scores. Case 3 is basically the quit option. So once you enter a valid choice, it will basically just quit. So if I run just to show what it would look like, we'll run it real quick. So here you can see it says welcome to the gymnastics competition. Here's the menu. Once you pick your choice, it'll go on from there. So let's pick 3. No, that's for quit. I picked the choice to quit. I'm sorry. I got a little confused there. Let's try that one more time. We're choosing choice 1. Enter the number of gymnasts. We're going to keep it short, so we're going to pick 2 gymnasts. Enter the name of gymnast and the score. We can say the name is J. That's the name. Now the score, we could say J got a score of 5, 6, then 10. J score is 7. Now for the next gymnast, we could say Lola. I don't know how. That's how I spell Lola. And her score was 10, 9, 8. Her average score is 9. And it will tell you, basically, now you have another choice to make. So that's my coding. That's my midterm. And thank you for tuning in if you're watching this video.